Now, your local weather with meteorologist Brian Briggs.
Well, good Sunday afternoon to you. Hopefully, you went outside and enjoyed a little bit of the weather. It was another warm and humid one, though, but not as hot as what we would usually see for this, or at least deeper into summer. So, we can enjoy these not so hot days while they last, but a few afternoon cumulus clouds too to kind of greet us here. But all in all, it has been a warm one. So, we have seen temperatures in the 90s today, and again, haven't really quite hit the peak of summer yet, but it's better than any sort of rain showers. So that's our sky cam. It's currently offline right now. I'm not seeing too much outside, but if you were to see it, you'd see those puffy cumulus clouds and temperatures generally in the upper 80s to lower 90s. Once again, very, very similar to what we saw yesterday, and that moisture still pretty high as well, although considering the time of year, it's actually not too bad. 60s and 70s, it's just humid enough, giving it pretty typical humidity values and temperature values, but when you factor in the heat index here, it feels a little bit warmer than that. So not too far off of our actual air temperature here, but feeling close to 100 degrees in Vicksburg. Here in Monroe, though, not feeling like 93 degrees. So make sure you're staying hydrated out there. It is still warm, even though it's not the hottest that we can see. Live storm tracker Doppler radar quiet thanks to that high pressure situated over us. That will be changing, though, as we get into the upcoming next few days or so. Future tracker wants to show some showers and storms for Memorial Day. Don't buy into that too much. I don't believe that that's going to happen. I don't really see it happening. I think it's overdoing it just a little bit here, but we'll have some clouds around for the day. Those will be clearing. But then by tomorrow, we'll get a little bit more out of the high pressure center that's keeping that sinking lid on our storm activity, and that will cause a few showers and thunderstorms to fire. I wouldn't be surprised if we had a few more further east as well, because that future tracker is kind of showing that it's off to the west there. But don't be surprised if you run into a few afternoon pop-up showers and thunderstorms for our Thursday. So with that being said, not expecting really heavy rains here over the next 7 days or so. So Ouachita River levels really shouldn't fluctuate too much. However, we do stay above major flood stage through the remainder of the extended period, and the Mississippi River continuing to show those values dropping ever so slightly. So that's what we want to see. There's some good news there, and as long as we have the dry weather sticking around for as long as we can, we'll continue to see improvements in those graphics. For tonight, 71 degrees, going to be another warm and humid one, but we'll see increasing clouds later on in the evening, and then for our Memorial Day, going to be starting off with a thick cloud cover in the morning, but all in all, that will be clearing out, and once again, we will be getting into the lower 90s, and it'll be warm and humid. So just make sure if you're going to be out and about, you are taking those necessary heat precautions, as it will be a warm one. Generally, for the Arklamis, anywhere from the upper 80s to lower 90s, once again, sounding like a broken record here, as our weather has been kind of stagnant. But that's exactly what we need here, and here's just a few safety tips. Remember, stay hydrated, check on your family members, and make sure you are wearing lightweight, loose-fitting clothes. There we go. So for our 7-day forecast here, taking a look at when those rain chances stick around, at least had to put a few more back in, unfortunately, from yesterday. And best chance for showers and storms looks to be Thursday with a weak system. But then by the time we get to the weekend, staying hot, humid, and keeping those pop-up showers and thunderstorms around, just those very isolated ones.
Okay, hopefully they just go away, though.
Hopefully, we'll see.
Thanks, Brian. Still to come on NBC 10.